Let me show you how gamers are getting free skins through airdrops. Step 1. Follow the official Twitter, Discord, or Telegram of the game you're playing. Most airdrops get announced there first. Step 2. Sign up for the airdrop campaign. Usually that means connecting your wallet like MetaMask or Phantom and completing quick tasks like retweeting, joining a Discord, or testing a beta. Step 3. Always double check its official link. Scammers copy airdrops all the time, so never click random DMs. Step 4. Once you qualify, this skin or NFT cosmetic usually gets dropped right into your in-game account or your crypto wallet. Some projects let you later bridge that skin into the game itself. Step 5. Stack multiple airdrops. Don't just do one, keep an eye on different projects because some of these skins end up being worth real money on secondary markets. So yeah, instead of paying for overpriced skins, you can grab them for free if you just stay plugged into these airdrops. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.